Expectorant tea for cough, 100% working. A cough is a very common health problem that frequently affects both children and adults in whether summer or winter. Basically, the cough is of including productive cough produces phlegm or mucus, killing it from the lungs, and non-productive cough in which no sign of phlegm or mucus. It is also called dry cough. A cough is basically a voluntary or involuntary act which helps our breathing passage and throat get rid of foreign particles, phlegm or mucus, irritants, microbes, etc. It is a process of rapid air expulsion from the lungs, clearing the air passage of lungs. Commonly, coughing is the result of viral infection, common cold, flu, allergies, smoking, asthma, gastro, esophageal reflux disease, and even lung cancer. Without wasting time, let's start making expectorant tea. For this tea, you want 3 spices that are used frequently in your everyday cooking, including 1. Garlic, 2. Ginger, 3. Peppermint fresh leaves. How to make expectorant tea? Let's make expectorant tea and have a look at the medicinal properties of the above mentioned spices. 1. Take 2 cloves of garlic, which work as a natural expectorant. It is very useful in clearing respiratory issues and surely helpful in curing every kind of cough. Here is a reference of the study published taken 2010 highlights the expectorant and other medicinal properties of garlic. It also offers antibacterial and antiviral benefits that make it effective for clearing infection from the respiratory tract, which may be the reason behind a cough. Make slices of the garlic. 2. Take a piece of ginger, which is another popular spice that is working as a natural expectorant. It is totally packed with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-tissue cough suppressant properties that surely can help you in getting rid of a cough. It also strengthens the immune system to fight against diseases. According to a study, ginger has expectorant as well as stimulant, revulsive, carminative, stomach disinfectant, bronchodilator, antifungal, febrifuge, and anti-inflammatory properties. Make slices of the ginger. 3. Take some fresh leaves of peppermint, which encourages the body to eliminate mucus from the air passage of the respiratory system, thus helping in the treatment of a cough. It contains a compound known as menthol that surely helps in thinning the phlegm, thus clearing the airways. Further, this ingredient has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties that very well take care of the infection that is responsible for a cough. Now, take a cup of water and pour into a saucepan. Put all these spices into the water and boil it for 4 to 5 minutes. Filter the tea, and if you like, then add a tablespoon of honey into it. Drink this tea to the time until your cough has gone. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it, share it with others on social media, and subscribe it with click on bell icon for latest videos.